Hey guys, WRX coming to you on a very common Pacific Northwest day. Overcast, rain, and a little cold, not too bad. But that's not why I'm making this video. So, have you ever sat in the line at a grocery store, convenience store, or gas station? As you're standing in line, you're kind of looking around, and up next to the checkout, they have an array of gum, candy bars, and other crap that you probably don't need, but the suggestion is there, so you just pick one of those out. Well, this next part that I just installed is one of those parts. I was perusing japanparts.com for the rear subframe brace, and lo and behold, this part number was kind of just sitting there staring at me, and it was no more than like $8 for this thing. So I thought I'd just throw that in the basket and just buy it. I mean, can't go wrong with JDM parts. So I went ahead and installed it. I was going to make a video, but the camera crapped out on me, so there you have it. Why not? Just make sure you prepare the surface with IPA. Make sure you clean it up really well, and these just go right on there. No problem. Alright, it's kind of a quick video, but WRX out.